Okay, final learning objective for Module C is criminal liability. And there's not a ton to be said about criminal liability other than CPAs can be found criminally guilty for knowingly being involved with false or misleading financial statements, meaning you go to jail with other criminals. Uh, so just know that that is a possibility. Now, how might you be found criminally liable? Well, there's it could be under state law, so there are the Uniform Securities Acts under state laws, and there are a number of federal statutes devoted to criminal liability as it relates to accountants and auditors, including the Securities Act of 1933, the Securities Act of 1934, Sarbanes-Oxley, as well as the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, and there's a number. But again, the big thing for you guys to know related to this learning objective is that you can be found criminally guilty for knowingly being involved with false financial statements. The most common source of lawsuits against CPAs, again, this is more of a review thing than anything, is from clients. And what are the four sources of legal liability for auditors? Civil liability under common law, civil liability to third parties under common law. So we have client liability under common law, third party liability under common law, civil liability under statutory law, and criminal liability. And that is it.